For somebody like me who wants to be out in the ocean, who's super active, loves playing golf, loves to wing foil, loves to go out and do different stuff, loves to hike, that's the type of person that really needs to take into consideration having a visit with Dr. Mork to see if he can help you. Hi, my name is Scott, and I'm a wing foiler. As you can see in the background, this is the beach that I love to go to. I've been coming here for about 3 years now. Prior to that, I was a kiteboarder down in Sunset Beach and Belmont Shore. And then prior to that, back up here about 30 years ago as a windsurfer on the outside section here. And I've been doing this pretty much water sports for my entire life. About beginning of the year, around January, I started to experience a severe amount of pain in my right arm and basically radiating down my right arm all the way to my fingertips, to the point where I couldn't sleep at night. I was probably getting 3-4 hours of sleep at night just from sheer exhaustion of not sleeping the night before. Started researching it online, went and got 3 MRIs, and basically the MRIs were revealing that I had a disc bulge, C6 and C7. That was about 7 millimeters, which I didn't know the difference between 6 or 7 with a disc bulge in your neck, but I knew the amount of pain that I was under at that point was unbearable to live with on a day-to-day basis. So I researched everything and found Dr. Tony Mork and was really impressed with the results he had, the testimonials he had online. And I really wanted to figure out the best thing for me to do. He met me in his office in Costa Mesa, and I was completely impressed. I mean, he blew me away with the knowledge that he had. In my particular case, because of my bone structure and the way that he had to go in, it took 6 hours. Dr. Mork sat with me before the surgery and told me he would not give up until it was done. And he did it. He stayed with me for 6 hours, completing the surgery. He met with my wife after the surgery and told her how everything went. She was completely at peace with how everything went. Dr. Mork told me it would be about an 8-week time period, 6 to 8 weeks before I could get back into the water to let everything heal and everything. That time period was spot on. Right at about the 9th, 10th week, I was in the water. So this is 2 months and a week. I was in the water, enjoying wing foiling again. No pain. That night I had the surgery, that day I was able to sleep 8 hours for the first time in 6 months. To me, that was worth everything. The only fear I really had that it would come back. So, and Dr. Mork assured me that everything was done properly. The bulge was gone. With that, I mean, I'm back to my normal self. It's been about 4 or 5 months now, and I am in heaven. I mean, just being able to live without pain, being able to sleep through the night, not take any medications at all. Anybody looking for a solution to help them live life again, he's the definite person to go to. So Dr. Mork is somebody that I recommend. And again, he's going to give you the opinion whether or not he can do it. That's what's great about it.